Welcome to Juturus. Today I have soft clay diyas. These are soft. Soft means not that soft. These are actually little medium crunch. I have a broken piece also here. I washed this and soaked for half an hour. These doesn't have grit. As I showed you in my previous clay pot videos, you can see the grit clearly from the broken pieces. But here there is no grit at all. It has sandy texture. See, it's easily breakable. I'll break and show you. See how easily it is breaking. I'll try this piece. It's soft. I think you cannot hear the crunch. This has nice roasted mud flavor. And as I told you, it gets sandy, not the one which bothers your teeth. Just like this. I think you can hear it. Now I'll show you clay tea pots. Aren't these cute? I have 3 of these. Now these are not for eating or crunching. These will be little hard. You can see the thickness of this. If you break into smaller pieces, maybe you can crunch on them, but you cannot crunch them directly. These are so cute, so I just want to share with you. Normally these are used for tea, as teapots also, for doll houses. These are used for pouring ghee while doing puja in the home. I have bigger pots of these also. I'll show them. So this is bigger version. This piece is broken in transport. So this is bigger version. This is fine. This also you can break and crunch on it, but this is also looks hard. But if you break into pieces, you can crunch on this. Unlike these, you cannot bite them directly. And I have raw clay pot also. I have only 2 pieces. These are raw clay pots pieces. I'll make one more video on this because I don't have much stock of this. And this is one more clay pot bigger than this, same way, but this is broken. I need to find this piece again. This is little thinner compared to this, but my advice is if it is a bigger clay pot, until it's diyas, don't bite directly, break them into pieces and crunch on them. And also always wash and soak them for at least half an hour. You can leave overnight also. It enhances the flavor even while using it for Diwali as diyas. Even then also you need to wash and use it. It helps. It doesn't absorb the oil if you wash, soak it, and then use it as a diyas also. And while if you are crunching on this, you can wash and soak it to enhance the flavor. Bye. Meet you in next video. Thank you.